High school boys tennis state tournaments kick off tomorrow. In 5A, Andover Central has 5 qualifiers, including 2 doubles teams. I was able to catch up with the team today about preparing for the biggest tournament of the year and what it means to represent their hometown just a couple weeks since a devastating tornado ripped through the city.
The tornado and everything that happened, and then for us to play the way we played, and we just have a chip on our shoulder for some reason, and we like to play for them, all of them, and it's a lot of motivation.
Playing for them and just try to do our best, show out for them.
Okay, they will have their state tournament kicking off tomorrow.
All right, we wish them luck. Thanks so much. We'll be right back.